Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be vlogging. I wanted to update you guys on the house hunt. As you can see, I'm back home. We're not in Florida anymore. In my last video, we were house hunting and we didn't find a place on day one, which is the day that I did vlog, but we did find a place day two. I didn't record it because we went to see the place with the property manager and the homeowners, you know, they're still occupying the house. So they have all of their stuff out. I didn't want to pull out my camera and record that, especially with, you know, all of their stuff being in the house. I just didn't feel it was right. So yeah, but we did sign the lease for it. They're gonna move out like in the middle of September. We don't move until the end of September, so you know, it works out. And with our house, we're gonna be renting it out. We're thinking about selling, but we do want to try renting first, you know, see how that goes. I need to make the bed, and I guess I can just show you around the room because as you can see, I painted the room. Is Repost Gray by Sherwin-Williams, the same color like that's around the rest of the house, like all of downstairs and stuff. I always get questions about this gray, but I do need to tidy up because we have a showing in a few. I just talked to my agent and someone wants to come and see the house, so I need to tidy up the rooms. The rest of the house is pretty good to go, but the bedrooms are always messy, so I do need to tidy up. And I also have a product to share with you guys. So I do want to give Scentbox a really big thanks for sponsoring this portion of today's video. But yeah, I've been trying this out for the past 2 months now. This perfume is like a sample you get. This will last you a month. One bottle will last you a month, but it lasts me way longer than that because I don't wear perfume every single day. So yeah, you just, you know, select 2 samples each month. Very, very affordable. You do get 1 free exchange per month. So if you pick a scent and you don't like it, you can exchange it for something else. But yeah, this is the color for this month. Last month, the sample bottles were blue and now it's like this rose gold. And all you do is just, you know, twist the top. I've just been really looking for more of a seductive scent when it comes to perfume because I wear perfume when I'm going out, like date nights or something like that. I don't just wear it every single day. So my date night scent has to be something that's very nice, very seductive type. The scents I have, let me show you guys. So this one is the La Vie. And this one is the Narciso Rodriguez for her. And I just Googled like seductive smelling perfumes and it gave me a ton of selections. So I've just been trying them all out. This is so much better than going to the store and smelling perfume. I don't have time for that. I'm a very busy person. So just doing it this way has been really fun. And if I like it, I have a month supply, which is going to be more like, you know, maybe 3 or 4 months for me. So I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the house. I'm going to do it off camera because I don't have enough time to record like a clean with me. This family is going to come in about an hour and a half. So I really need to just go ahead and speed clean the house. But I will show you what it looks like after, you know, after I'm done cleaning. Let me actually show you guys, you know, the rooms so you can see what it looks like now. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like after. The bedroom, I just need to make the bed. Let's see what the kids' rooms. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I need to, you know, tidy up the bedrooms, the kids' rooms. Not too bad in here. Just straighten up her bed, and then I have their bathroom. I need to take the towels and stuff out, and the soap, the wipes, and just hide all of this stuff. Put it under the sink. Make sure the toilet is good, okay, because sometimes they forget to flush. All right, so I am done in here. It's nice and clean, staged, of course. That's why you don't see any products out. But yeah, it's nice and clean, so that's all that really matters. So my son's room is clean, nice and tidy. It's good to go. Let me come inside. Uh-oh. Come around this way. The closet isn't that organized, but people are going to come in and they're going to open up the closet anyways. So, you know, figured I'll just go ahead and leave it open. you know, it's not really that big of a deal. But everything else is good to go. All right, so her room is done. She has this big old dollhouse and it's always messy. And this side, everything is off of the floor. Another not so organized closet, but it's good enough. And the master bedroom is good to go. I do have it staged. I didn't do the most with decorating in here because I'm trying to pack up as much of my decor as possible. So yeah, it's not really decorated the way I would want my master bedroom decorated, but I do have the room staged. And I know the bed does not flow with the rest of the house. It's a very traditional bed. It's just not my style. I know this, guys. You do not need to tell me in the comments like you guys do every single time I show this bed. You tell me, oh, it doesn't match your style, it doesn't go with the rest of your house. I know. When I purchased this bed, like what, 4 or 5 years ago, I was trying to surprise my husband with a bedroom makeover, and he's more of a traditional type of person, so I wanted to incorporate both of our styles. I came across this bed. I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it. I didn't want to get a tufted bed at the time because I just felt like everyone had a tufted bed and I didn't want my space to just look like everyone else's. So I said, you know what, let me just try something different. I didn't know what my home decor style was either. Like, I was still playing around with different styles of decor, trying to figure out what I really loved. But yeah, I decided to get this bed. It's traditional, but it has like mirrors on it. So I love mirrors, and I also had like mirrored nightstands. I sold them, but yeah, it did look good when I first purchased it. But when you look at the rest of my house, yes, the bedroom, you know, this bed, it definitely doesn't flow. It's not cohesive with the rest of the house at all. And I am trying to sell this bed, but you know, I don't have any buyers yet. Not even going to talk about the nightstands because those are like extremely old. And this was my husband's set because he actually had a bed that goes with the nightstands and the dresser. But he purchased it like maybe over 10 years ago. But I'm not going to get rid of them. These would look really great in my son's room, especially because they're black and he has like, you know, black pieces in his room. It'll just go, like, he has some black bookcases and I just feel like it'll all like work really well in his space. So I'm going to keep them and get like new nightstands, a new dresser and all of that. That's the plan for the new house. But I just put some decor on the dresser. I wasn't trying to do the most. I actually packed away a lot of my decor. So yeah, I just had these faux flowers. They're from Kirkland's, and I just put them up here, and some Dollar Tree candles. I really hate this system. I hate seeing it and then seeing the cords. I don't like that at all. So I'm gonna try to figure out a way to hide this. I know they have like mounts that you can attach to the wall, and then you can like sit these like systems in it, and then you don't have to worry about seeing them. But I don't know, we'll see about that when we get to the new space. And that's it. That's all I have going on in this room. So, I mean, I feel like it's good enough for staging. You know, someone is going to come in here. They can clearly see the space is big enough to fit a king size bed, dresser, nightstands. You can even put like, you know, some seating in here if you want, or a desk. Hopefully, I'm praying, fingers crossed, that I can sell this bed before we leave, and we leave in 3 weeks. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will be back very soon with, you know, more updates and just vlogging. I'm trying to do daily vlogs. It's kind of hard to record every single day, but the kids are going to be in school soon, so I'll have more time, and maybe I can do some daily vlogs, or maybe every other day if I have something going on. I don't know, but I do want to record more vlog style videos and just show you guys what I have going on in my day. But I hope you enjoyed watching this one. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.